Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to duel, or you can say how to play 1v1 or play versus player in Waves Mid. It's pretty easy. First of all, open the menu and here you need to make sure that you should be at level 10 or more than that. If you are under level 10, then you have to progress a bit, and once you are at level 10 or more than that, you'll able to play 1v1 or play versus play. So just click on this option right here, choose online mode and just enter. Once you enter the game, you're gonna see a lot of players who are playing the game at the real time, and here you can just choose the player with whom you wanna duel. So let's say this is the one right here. About this player, I'm able to see the G key since I'm playing the game on keyboard, but if I'm playing on console, the key could be different. So if I press that key, I'll able to see window like this, and here if we scroll, we're gonna see the option for spar. If we click on that, we could get the chance to play 1v1 or play versus player in Waves Mid. And that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.